Hi children, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll do English language workbook.
Page number 63, Chapter 9, Adverbs. It's written here A. Circle the adverbs in the following sentences. So you have to circle the adverbs from these sentences. Okay, the first one. The little girl cried softly when she lost her doll. So here the adverb is here, softly. Second one. You may fall down the stairs if you run hurriedly. So hurriedly. One more adverb. Next one, third, we read books silently in the library. So silently. Next one, the lion roars fiercely. So it will be fiercely. Next one, the king ruled over his kingdom wisely. So it will be wisely here. Again, one more adverb. Sixth one, we must speak clearly. So clearly. Seventh one, the doctor bandaged the broken arm carefully. So it will be carefully. Eighth one, the fire engine blew its horn loudly. So it will be loudly. Next one, I recently bought a new bicycle. So it will be recently. 10th one, the crowd waited calmly for the match to begin. So it will be calmly. If you see, these adverbs are ending with ly, okay? Adverbs, they end with ly, softly, hurriedly, silently, fiercely, wisely, clearly, carefully, loudly, recently, calm.
Page number 64. It's written here B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So you have to take help from this box here, okay? Okay, first one. We greet our teachers. It will be respectfully. Okay. Next one, we must talk to our elders. It will be politely. Okay. Next one, we write dash in our books. Neatly. Next one, we cross the street carefully. Next one, we must speak softly. Next one, we sat dash in the class quietly. Next one, we have here, the man finished his lunch quickly. Next one, the children are playing dash in the park. So it will be a joyfully. Page 65. It's written here C. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences and write them. So we have to pick the adverbs from here, from these sentences, and then we have to write. First one, okay. John ran hurriedly to school. So it will be this one, hurriedly. Next one, Rohan drew the picture beautifully. So it will be beautifully. Next one, the boy answered smartly in class. So it will be smartly. Next one, the little boy wept bitterly. So it will be bitterly. Next one, Tommy did his work neatly. So it will be neatly. Next one, we got home safely. It will be safely. Next one, the workers worked busily to build the house. So it will be busily. Next one, the postman finally delivered the mail. So it will be finally. Okay, so next one here, if you see D, it's written here, choose the adjective or adverb that best completes the sentence. So whichever one is the correct one, we have to write it here. Everybody at the party was dash dressed. Colorful, colorfully. So it will be this one. Colorfully dressed. She fell and hurt herself quite badly. So it will be badly. Next one. We were dash to see our new teacher. It will be happy. Last one. Elephants are dash animals. Wild, wildly. So it will be wild. Page 66, it's written here E, comprehension. So it's a short story and according to that we have to answer the questions here. I'll just read out, okay. To visit a circus show, it is great fun. As soon as father broke the news that he would take us to the circus show, my brother Rohan danced merrily with excitement. The circus was in golf ground. My father bought the tickets and we entered the huge colorful tent. A group of young boys and girls came on the stage and welcomed the visitors. Then came the two clowns. Their funny dresses made us laugh loudly. We saw the young girls riding cycles with single wheels skillfully on ropes. A ringmaster came with the lion, and the lion followed his instructions obediently. The elephant saluted the audience with its trunk. Lions, horses, and monkeys performed wonderful tricks and made us applaud joyfully. The show ended and we returned home happily. Answer the following questions. Who danced merrily and why? So we'll write here. Rohan danced merrily because he was excited to go to the circus. Okay. Next one. Who welcomed the visitors? So it will be a group of boys and girls welcomed the visitors. Okay, next one. How did the elephant salute the audience? So, right here, the elephant saluted the audience with its trunk. Okay, next one. Find 3 ly words used in the passage. Okay, so we have here, let's search with ly. Skillfully is here. Loudly, joyfully. Okay, so first we'll write here loudly, skillfully, joyfully.
So I hope children you have understood how to do page number 63, 64, 65 and 66 of your English language workbook. If not, you can watch my video once again. Till then, bye and take care.